Hello and welcome to day 88 of Bedtime Welsh. We managed to remember 2 days in a row, and I've got a new Blues Brothers t-shirt for my birthday. And it's more new words. Well, a new word for you today, and it's a very, very useful one. It's the word for words. So the word for word, just one word, is gair, gair. But the word for words is geiriau, geiriau. So give me the Welsh for words is
geiriau.
geiriau. What's the Welsh for mad cats? Now, when you put that with more, it changes slightly. So see if you can guess how it changes. Doesn't matter whether you get it right or not. So more words is
Mwy o eiriau.
mwy o eiriau. The geiriau, the g disappears and you get mwy o eiriau. So how about to learn more words?
Dysgu mwy o eiriau.
Dysgu mwy o eiriau. How about how to learn more words?
Sut I ddysgu mwy o eiriau?
Sut I ddysgu mwy o eiriau? Okay, how about to remember more words?
Cofio mwy o eiriau.
Cofio mwy o eiriau. And finally for today, how about to say more words?
Dweud mwy o eiriau.
Dweud or deud mwy o eiriau. Well done. That's it for today. We'll try to remember to do another one of these tomorrow when I'll be, another day older, won't I? Yeah, but not my birthday anymore. Okay, we'll see you soon. Hwyl am y tro.